Thank you. So our topic here today is fragmented European markets. I think one of the more interesting things being North American and moving to the EU, before it was the EU, was the collection of currencies you'd collect along the way. Thankfully, you've dealt with that. But it was really the fragmentation of the market, fragmented by local custom, by language, and then we extend that metaphor in this discussion to play on to different asset class types and different investment theses that are in front of investors. So without further ado, I'll allow the panelists to introduce themselves. First off, Paul House. Thank you, David, for that introduction. I work with ARA, and we focus on real estate debt, as well as we're a large Asian specific investor across the equity markets and also a growing business in Europe. And on to my left, Patrick, introduce yourself.
Many thanks. Patrick Züchner, Chief Investment Officer of Aukera Real Estate, an investment boutique concentrating on real estate debt only in Essen, Germany. The firm is only 3 years old, but the team is more than 10 years active in the real estate fund business. So we concentrate on whole loans since 2014 only, and happy to be here.
Hi, all. Christophe, Montcerisier. I'm part of BNP Paribas Asset Management. We have in excess of 500 billion of euros of assets under management, and I'm part of the private assets platform, which manages 30 billion plus assets. And I'm really focusing on real estate debt within this team.
Hanno Kowalski, I'm partner. Hanno Kowalski. Is it working now? No.
Part of creativity is I can repeat what he says. He said, David, fix the microphone.
Hanno Kowalski, I'm a partner with FAP in Berlin. We're a 22-people boutique specialized in debt, particularly in Germany. We do fundraising globally, collecting money, and have about 1 billion that go through over desks, either that we advise on, that we hand out or lend out on, or that we invest with our own vehicles. We are also known in Germany with an ESG Article 9 fund, MES fund, that has about 300 million invested and all focused on investments, real estate investments in Germany.
Being in Germany, we'll crack off with our first question being focused on Germany. This is the fragmentation with regards to nations. Following up on your German focus, Hanno, if you could comment on how investors should view Germany versus other European markets. This is not a car competition either, by the way, so otherwise the French and the Germans, would there be a competition?